So our first question is, what is template in C++? So a template in C++, it can be a it can be a feature that allows us to, that allows, function and classes to operate with a generic types. Uh, I mean, you can write a function or class once and have it work with any data type. So that enables us for code reusability and flexibility. Second question is, what are different types of templates in C++? So different types of templates in C++ are as follows. Number one, function type, function template. So it allows us to create a function that can operate on different data types. You define the function with a template parameter. Class templates. Second type is class templates. Class templates allows us to create a function that can operate on different data types, and we can define the template with any template parameter. I mean, we can define the class with any template parameter. And template specialization, third type is template specialization. The template specialization allows us to define a specific implementation of a template for a particular data type. Third question is, discuss the advantages of generic programming with examples. So uh, advantages of generic programming are as follows. uh, Imagine if number one advantage is about type safety. So like, imagine if I have a box to store them, and if it's a generic box, we can specify that what type of item goes in it. I mean, if you have a box of apples, and you can't accidentally put in oranges. This is a way to avoid mistakes that could happen if I try to take out the wrong type later. Second advantage could be code reusability. So like, we can think of it as a recipe. So it's kind of a recipe which works with different types of cakes. So, like, instead of writing separate recipes for chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry cakes, you write one generic recipe that uses the type of flavor of or like as an ingredient. So this means I can reuse the same recipe for any kind of cake without rewriting it. Uh, Third advantage could be reused code duplication. So it kind of helps us not to we should not have duplicate code uh, in our code database. So uh, like, if I explain it with an example. So example can be, imagine if I have a tool to print items from different types of boxes. So instead of creating separate tools for separate box type, I create a single tool that can handle any type of box, and this will save me a lot of time and efforts, and it will avoid the repetitiveness of in the code.